What's up everyone, it's Johnny B Pokemon, and in today's video, I'm doing another Build and Battle box opening. This time, I'm going to be opening up Silver Tempest. Let's see if I can avoid doubles with the promos. Before I open this up, just a reminder, if you'd like to help support this channel, hit that subscribe button and like the video. Let's get into it. And the first promo is nice, a Curlia. Code card. And of course 4 packs. And as always, a bunch of Volt. Next box. Let's see what promo we get. Nice, a different one. Let's go ahead and get that code card. I'm hoping each promo is different. As always, there are 4 different ones for this set. And I got 4 Build and Battle boxes, so the chances I don't get a double are not very high, but we'll see. Code card. And the bulk. And 4 packs. Next box. A double. Code. Four packs. And the last box. Nice. Rapidash. Which means I only had 1 double. Not too bad. Code. Four packs. Alright, let's get into the first pack. Code. Fire. Fletchling. Dratini. Reverse Hollow. And non-hollow rare. Second pack. Code. Psychic. Zubat. Sandygast. Reverse Hollow. Nice! Let's go. V-Guard Energy Gold card. Very cool. Always nice to get a gold card. Second pack. Code. Steel. Ninetales. Stunfisk. Reverse Hollow. Non-hollow rare. Next pack. Code. Water. Spinnerack. Croagunk. Reverse Hollow. Non-Hollow Among Us. Next pack. Code. Energy. Dragonair. Rufflet. Reverse Hollow. Nice. A Hollow. Next pack. Code. Energy. I've actually been playing a lot of Scarlet lately. I'm really excited for the next set. Nice. A V. Next pack. Code. Actually, I should say I'm really excited for the next series of Pokemon cards. Raichu. Feebas. Zubat. Non-Hollow Rare. Next pack. Code. Energy. Golbat. Indeedee. Clink. Nice, let's go. Non-Hollow Rare. Rayquaza VMAX Gold. That's cool. Definitely one of the cards from this set that I wanted the most. Not bad for 2 build and battle boxes. Let's see if the next 2 can match them. First pack. Code. Fire. Meowstic. Meditite. Ralts. Reverse Hollow. And a double. Next pack. Code. Fire. Let's go. Smeargle, Trainer Gallery, and Non-Hollow Rare. Now that's some cool artwork. Nice. Next pack. Go. Reverse Hollow and nice. Hisuian Arcanine V. Very cool. Next pack. Code. Reverse Hollow, and Hollow Dragonite. One of my favorite classic Pokemon. Last build in Battle Box. Code. Oh, nice. Pikachu. I like that artwork. Reverse Hollow and non-hollow rare. Next pack. Oh, I think I see something. Reverse Hollow Vulpix and nice. Regidrago. V-Star. Very cool. Only 2 more packs to go. And a hollow. Alright, last pack. We can get some last pack magic. Code. Electric. Golbat. Swablu. Reverse Hollow, and non-hollow rare. Well, the first 2 build and battle boxes were definitely better than the last 2. That's all I have for this video. Just a reminder, if you'd like to help support this channel, hit that subscribe button and like the video. Later.